We are in a forest going to go see waterfalls. I'm excited. So, you guys get to join us. Right, Jane? They get to join us?
Yep.
If you can see Grandma, the woman in the background over.
Yep.
Right
She
there.
up to us.
She is coming with us. That's Grandma. So, I'll be right back once we're about halfway through.
I think we're here.
Almost. Miss Bear. There's a doggy.
Covered bridge. I've never been up to the covered bridge.
It's pretty here.
That's up at the top of the hill.
Hi, falls. That's where we're going. We're going to see awesome, amazing falls, and you guys get to join us.
All right, come on, keep walking.
Bear, say hi to the camera. Last year when we were here, we saw interesting mushrooms, so I hope you guys can see them too.
It hasn't rained much, so there aren't any
Bear! Hold on. Grandma, shh. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we hear the waterfalls. And they sound amazing. Stumps. You gotta be careful. Birds have been pooping and birds just poop. Look at that amazing green field. In California, you guys, you can usually never catch. Hi, Foz Trail! Right down there. So you can usually never catch pretty stuff like this if you live in California like me. But I'm in North Carolina. So I've been going everywhere this year. So I'm going to stop this video here. When we are at the waterfalls, I'll continue it up with another video. So bye, guys.